Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we're gonna be playing with Hawks, aka the Winged Assassin. Mashiro's Battlegrounds actually managed to finish. So, when he first got launched, he had only the first move, Twin Talons. But it wasn't even finished. It looks cool as hell. So yeah, they changed the effect of it. Then we have Scarlet Fan, which is like a combo extender of sorts. And after it, you can combo, you can M1 2 times. Crimson Heaven is an air move, and yeah, Crimson Heaven is a move that launches them in the air, and then you can use the Twin Talons air variant. Plume is a CP move. And this is the finisher. And after you kill somebody, you can fly. And the move got some. For the, for the passive, yeah. And we're just gonna be playing with him. Like, they also added burst anti-teaming to some characters. I wish I would go to rank, but in rank you just get put with sweats that have like a bajillion kills. I like the fact that they give every character a different dash animation. You know what? Let's fight this guy. Damn, how the fuck did I make that? Okay, I'm pretty laggy. And I think it's also because I haven't properly loaded in yet. Oh my goodness, no! What? Oh my god, bro. Oh, I'm lagging. Damn, he's not gonna fight back. Bro, you so lag, I know. I know me so lag. I know me so lag, but I'm still gonna fight you. Damn. You know, I'm gonna go to rank, bro. Just so I can have better ping, hopefully. Oh damn. What the fuck? I can block that, bro. Fuck, bro. Oh my god, I forgot he also has an ult. He's dead. Oh my god, oh yeah, come to daddy. No! I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. Stupid f. Alright, now we're fighting Saitama himself. Oh no, I forgot. I can 2020. I can 20. Drop kick him. Yeah. This is a big ass map. Hopefully I don't get flung. Oh, he changed. Ouch. That hurt. What is that damage? Oh my HP! Brother, I'm at 0 HP. I'm dead, yeah. I shouldn't have dashed, bro. Ouch. Come to me. Oh, I like that drop kick, bro. Okay, so yeah, this guy's a sweat. Why are you forgetting to block BM1? yeah, I forgot these maps. Oh, oh, I killed him. Oh, whoops. Whoopsie daisy. What the fuck? I do not know how many kills that guy had, but I feel like he had too many. I'm bad for him, bro. He's not using that guy anymore. He's using the counter. What? Okay, bro. Damn, I'm stupid. How am I die because of this? Oh shit. Ah, my PC was running out of battery. But at least he knows how to dash. Ouch, that hurt. Stupid monkey. Oh, really, bro? Ooh! Fuck, I'm cooked. Fuck. Oh, thanks for that. I don't know how to pass the colors. Of like Foe's emoji. Oh, damn me, he's dead. Drop a kick. Ha! Where's your foot spawning at? There we go. Where am I? Yeah. Well guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. See ya!